spite of the fact कि इतना high octane है और इतना सब कुछ इसमें है, that's like a big thing, and the makers, the entire crew should be, congratulated on that. So एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for the action, for the romance, and for everything that we just saw on this big screen. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite on stage the man himself, the man who's won, I don't know कितने लोगों का ऐसा दिल चुरा लिया है और जीत भी लिया है. Give it up for superstar Prabhas, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, make some noise. Wow. It's such an honor to be here with him. Welcome, Prabhas, sir. So good to see you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the leading lady. उनको पीछे नहीं छोड़ सकते because इनका रिश्ता दिन और रात के जैसा है और दोनों को साथ होना बनता है यार. Give it up for Shraddha Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen. The very talented, the very gorgeous Shraddha. Welcome, Shraddha. This is for you. So before we invite the other rock stars on stage, I have a question for you, and we'll start with you, Prabhas sir. How does it feel, when everything is here, the response that we just saw, and आपकी पहली Hindi movie? What do you have to say?
Yeah, I'm a little stressed and all, but hope you like the trailer. Let's see. Hope the audience like the trailer, fans. Let's wait.
And the response that we just saw is
That's beautiful. Thanks. Thanks
हिंदी
a
में
lot.
बोलते हैं सर छप्पर फाड़ के मिल गया हमको response यहाँ पे,
Thanks a lot.
है ना? And okay, एक बार जोरदार तालियां यार, मतलब ऐसे वेलकम कर लेते हैं हिंदी फिल्मों में, बनता है. Shraddha, this one's for you. Please tell us, this chemistry, it's so fresh. And आपका भी ऐसा South region में ये debut हो रहा है, and apart from that, everybody is loving the chemistry. What do you have to say? क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है?
First of all, thank you everyone here. Thank you so much for being here. It feels really, really fantastic to be a part of such an amazing film on such a huge scale. And I'm feeling really, really, really happy. And it's been a really memorable experience. I can't actually say it in words enough how amazing it's been. And yeah, I hope you all like it.
Right, talking about the chemistry, what do you have to say? क्यों इतना ऐसा प्यार? मतलब the songs are breaking all the records, shattering all the records across the globe.
How can I say about that? I think it's up to the audiences, right? I mean,
Yeah.
they have to decide how they like it.
But you also love the chemistry, right? You do.
Obviously, I do.
Of course, we are loving it. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the men who've actually, put in their heart, their soul, and of course, the money, the producers. Give it up for UV Creations say Pramod, Vamsi, and Vikram, ladies and gentlemen, the Kamal ka trio. The ever so humble, the ever so talented trio is here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And this one's to the three of you, like collective question to the three of you. What do you have to say? It's your baby, you've seen it grow and become this magnanimous thing, and we've just seen the response, we've just felt it. So what do you have to say about this baby of yours, जो कि इतना बड़ा हो गया है?
Just waiting for the final day, and hope audience also will
Right.
love it and will be blessed with it.
Of course, that's why, we all are waiting it. That's why we've termed it as World Saho Day. That's what they are celebrating on the 30th of August. And that's like one big thing. I'd like to ask you. You have to tell me, sir. He's like, no, मेरे से मत पूछना, कुछ नहीं पूछना. अच्छा, tell us, UV Creations, we started with Mirchi. Then Sujit sir ke saath we did Run Raja Run. And today, when we see Saho on the big screen, sir, how has the journey been? How do you people feel? Collective जवाब दे सकते सबके behalf पे. You can say it's good.
Thanks for everybody who supported us.
The journey has been amazing. That's what we were talking as behind the scenes. So great. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the man whose vision we've just seen, the man who's killed it. Please put your hands together for the director of the movie, Sujit sir. के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on, make some noise. Welcome, Sujit sir. The movie is huge, right? Your first movie, and before that he'd done some 38 short films, and then he marked his debut after that with UV Creations. So after Run Raja Run, today, when you direct a movie of such stature, what do you have to say? कितना pressure था आपके ऊपर?
मतलब thanks to everyone like who liked the trailer and all. प्रेशर तो अभी है, पिक्चर में तो उतना प्रेशर नहीं था.
अभी है?
Yeah. जब मीडिया के सामने आता है, like when you come in front of media, no, this is more pressure than making a movie.
Right. But the response जो हमें media से मिला है, that's amazing, and they all are like rock stars. So I'm sure you're happy now. Relieved?
No, relief will come when you release the movie and it becomes blockbuster. So.
Relief comes with the release on the 30th when we celebrate World Saho Day. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the man with a vision, with a mission, from chartbusters to blockbusters, he's done it all. Head honcho T-Series, CMD of T-Series. Give it up for Mr. Bhushan Kumar, ladies and gentlemen. The man who's backing this project, and the way he's doing it is marvelous. So this is for you. I'll come there. You know, the kind of movies you've been producing, you've been backing, is fantabulous. You know, spectrum के दोनों तरफ देखा जाए, everything you've done. You've done action thrillers, you've done family dramas, you've done romantic films. ये कैसे सबसे हटके होने वाली है? How is Saho very different for you?
You have read the line, it's the biggest action film from India. So that's a proud moment for T-Series because it's our first venture into South. We are doing a bilingual film. And thanks to the entire team of Saho, and we are very, very proud to be associated with this film.
Another blockbuster, sir. Mubarak ho, ek aur
Thank you,
blockbuster
thank
आप
you,
लोगों को है ना यहाँ पे. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the man who's backed some मतलब 100 crores, 200 crores की बात करें तो वो क्लब में I think इन्हीं की फिल्मों से शुरुआत हुई थी. अनिल तडानी जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on, make some noise for this magician over here. Anil sir, I have a question for you also, sir. You can come here. No, he's like ज़्यादा question पूछ लेगा, इससे दूर ही रहो. So backing a movie of this level, what do you have to say? और इससे पहले भी 200-300 करोड़ तो हमने अब आप लोगों ने आम बना दिया है उसे. UV Creations, T-Series, and you know with you. So what do you have to say now? Like इसका कितना जा रहा है?
So I just hope that this film is a step ahead of Bahubali. I'd like to thank Prabhas for showing the confidence that he has in me from Bahubali to now, and I'd like to wish the entire team all the very best.
And thank you so much, sir, so for backing this project, especially Bhushan sir, आप and UV Creations से हमारे जो producers हैं. This is amazing. We're waiting for this movie, and now I know you guys have been waiting for this. So एक quick photo op हो जाए, उसके बाद we'll take this forward. Yeah. Sujit sir, थोड़ा सा on your left. Yeah. सिर्फ श्रद्धा मैम से लेना है? I'll take it. We'll do the thing. Right, it's over to the media and all you wonderful people. I know you have a lot of questions, so it's time to shoot. Where do we start from? जी.
भूषण जी और अनिल जी, हालांकि 30th को आप लोगों के पास कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है, फिर भी कितने थिएटर्स में आप लोग कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि इंडियन ऑडियंस जो यूपी बिहार के लोग भी इसको देखना चाहते हैं साहू को.
See how wide
हिंदी
is the
बेल्ट
release?
So it will be one of the widest releases.
फिर
बहुत
भी
wide जाएगी.
कुछ आंकड़े.
Around 4,500. ये बहुत languages में release. This is only in North India. South will be separate. So that only I think the distributor of the South can say.
Practically in all the screens, actually, if you say in northern India, in all the screens, we'll be putting this film.
श्रद्धा, आपने बागी के समय हमें कहा था कि आपको वो एक्शन नहीं करने मिले टाइगर के रहते जो आप करना चाहती थी, तो इस फिल्म में आपकी वो ख्वाहिश पूरी हुई?
जितना आई थिंक स्क्रिप्ट का डिमांड था और जितना मुझसे हो पाया मैंने किया. एंड आई थिंक कि मैं बहुत ही आई एम इन वेरी गुड हैंड्स एज यू सॉ द ट्रेलर. सो नो मैटर व्हाट हैपेंस दे विल मेक मी लुक गुड. सो आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट दैट.
ప్రభాస్ గారు వెల్కమ్ టు ముంబై. ఇక్కడే ఉంది. ప్రభాస్ గారు
Hi.
వెల్కమ్ టు ముంబై. మీరు క్యారెక్టర్ ఏమండి? వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ క్యారెక్టర్?
Yeah, we showed him as a police, so he saw it right.
యా
So, yes, can you ask in English? Yeah, my character is like, he's a police officer, but you know the situations and all turn into different ways, so you need to watch the film after that.
Okay, have you dubbed it in Hindi or somebody
No,
is
no, no.
dubbing on your
That's my
face?
voice. There.
Okay. Was it difficult
Yeah, like
to speak Hindi
yeah,
certain
I can
words?
read and write Hindi, but we don't speak at home, so it was a little difficult. But yeah, I managed.
Prabhas sir, here.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Congratulations to you and the whole team.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome to Bollywood.
Thank you, sir.
My question to you, sir, when we saw the teaser, it was like it's touted as the biggest thriller, and now we got to know why it is called the biggest thriller. What do you want to say about this film? Because not only as an artist, what do you want to say about it? Because this is your next film right after Bahubali, and you have spent your 5 years into one film, living one character, and now stepping into another huge world.
Yeah.
So overall, what was the experience? Please tell us about it.
Yeah, coming out of Bahubali was not easy. It was a little difficult. But even this film, we took 2 years. I think my fans are going to kill me for that. But, you know, yeah, Sujit designed this film in, this film is mostly on the screenplay based. So there are like a lot of twists and turns. It's very interesting the way he wrote the script. So it's interesting for me. Hope the audience say that they like the character.
Definitely they will. Shraddha, my question to you, मेरा आपसे यहीं पे, yeah. Shraddha, इस साल आपकी 3 फिल्में आ जाएंगी with Chichore, Street Dancer and Sawan. You have shot back to back, if I'm not wrong, for this, for these 3, right? So how do you used to manage? मतलब एक फिल्म में आपको dance करना है out and out. It's a romantic thriller. एक में action है. So what do you want to say about it?
मैं बस ये कहूँगी कि बहुत मेरी बॉडी बहुत दुख रही है